Hello guys, how are you doing? So I have a CMOS battery here which is dead. It was from a Dell, a CMOS battery with the connector. So I'm going to use a simple CMOS battery, standard one, CR2032 3 volt, using the heat shrink and hot air, of course. So we have to put the red wire on the plus and the black one on the minus. Let's hold it with the tweezer. And apply hot air. So max temperature and max air, so that it can be done quickly. That's it. So when I put the gun of my hot air, I always make the air on full speed. That makes it colder in less time, meaning quickly. Okay, now it will stop. This is it. So we have our battery again. And let's measure it. Okay. You know, I put the screwdriver on that side. Okay, let's check the voltage. So here we have the minus, the plus, 3.2. That's it. Don't use a big heat shrink. Don't use big one. It should be shorter. As you can see here, we can see the CMOS battery. So why? Because when we use it shorter, it how to say that, it sticks strongly to the CMOS battery and holds the cable on its place. So as you have seen, I haven't tried to solder the wires on the CMOS battery. It's a hard task to do. So the best way is to use a heat shrink. Our battery is done. Let's put it on our Dell.